welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is I will make again the new season of packing of Pokemon cards here in my channel. So it's still continuation episode, okay, continuation episode, but this is now the season 2 of the unpacking of Pokemon cards here in my channel. So I've got a Crown Zenith and also a Scarlet and Violet. So this is new, so this is new. So the last time is the last time that was the hottest pull a Charizard V Astro in a reverse holo. So let's gonna start it up, guys. Okay, so let's gonna start it up unpacking this new Pokemon cards from Scarlet and Violet and Crown Zenith. Okay, so here it goes, everyone. So here it goes. We're gonna be unpacking some new Pokemon cards from Scarlet and Violet and also from the Crown Zenith. So this is for maybe Crown Zenith over here. Okay, this is Crown Zenith. So this is from the Crown Zenith. Okay, look at that. So have some Lugia, the Magenta and the Cyan from Sword and Shield, Zeraora, and then also another Sword and Shield, the Magenta and the Cyan, and I forgot who is this Pokemon. So and then Lugia again. So okay, here it goes, and then I'm gonna open five. I'm gonna open four, I think. So four or three. So I'm gonna open three Pokemon. I'm gonna open three. Okay, I'm gonna open three Pokemon booster packs over here, and also I'm gonna open this one mini booster box. Okay, so I'm gonna pick one from this one, and then I'm gonna pick the Zekrom. So I'm gonna pick this Zekrom. So okay, that the other will be open on in the next day. So okay, I'm gonna be opening that on the next day for this new season. Okay, so here it goes. I have a full art of Duskull, a full art of Paras, Heliolisk, okay, Yan Mega. This is new Mew. This Mew, okay, Mysterious Steel in a side shot. Oh, look at that. Other Pokemons right there. Rokidi and Fairy type Ponyta. Okay, okay, that one is this one. Okay, full art. Okay, full art, and another Luminion V. Full art. Okay, that's that one. Okay, and an energy. Oh, electric energy. Diancie. Woo, look at that. Diancie full art. Diancie. Tangrowth. Okay. Mew V. Fusion Strike. Oh, nice one. So cute. That one. It's so cute. Okay. Third twig. Okay. Oh, Rayquaza. Rayquaza. Okay. Full art gonna be there. So full art. Okay. Okay. And then Rayquaza V. I'm gonna put that one. Volcanion. Okay. That one right there. Volcanion. So and also is a Cyan. Amarip. Okay, there's Amarip. Full art. Full art Solrock. Alaxray. Oh, another okay. Regigigas V-Star. Okay, Regigigas V-Star. Where do I put this one? Okay, right here. And a full art Manaphy. Hatirini VMAX. Okay, we're gonna put the VMAX. Okay, I'm gonna just put that one in. Okay, and then also the Magenta V and a Simisear V-Star. Okay, okay, this is one of it's because it is okay. Okay, that one right there, Simisear V-Star. Okay, and then this Suicune V. So it's a water type. Okay, it's a water type. It's a water type. Okay, let's gonna check it out right here. A Frost Smash. Oh, 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 oh. What? Yes, a Vulpix. Yes, a Vulpix. Yes, look at that. I have a Vulpix. Okay. Ooh, look at that nice one. Okay, a Vulpix, right? So that was our first pick, the Vulpix. Okay, and then here it goes. Just gonna go to the crown. Just gonna go to the crown zenith. Okay, just gonna go to the crown zenith. Okay. Let's go to this. Why are okay? Okay. Okay. Why is it reverse? Okay. Okay. Why is it reverse? Okay. And oh, it's a Regidrago. Okay. Regidrago V. Archeops. Oh, what's this one? Oh, it's a Duraludon VMAX, right? Oh, nice one. Nice single strike. Okay. And what is this one? Oh, a Vulpix V-Star. Okay. Okay, and we've got some also an Alolan Vulpix V Astro. So we're gonna put that one right there, and also okay, okay, we've got some another Alolan. Okay, got some new again. Okay, okay, this one right here is so okay, this is a reverse one. Okay, there's a reverse and another Regidrago V. Oh, a breviary, so evolved form from Rufflets, and then oh, I got a Raichu. Oh, nice one over there, a Raichu, and also a Skuntank. Okay, B and a sword ward and Shelbert. Oh, okay, upside down. Okay, there's an upside down. Okay, and then let's gonna check out, and it's a fighting type, and it's a rapid strike. Okay, it's a rapid strike. It's a rapid. Ooh, it's a Passimian. Oh, look at that nice one right there. It's a Passimian, full art. Okay, with this training coach. Nice one over there. Nice one over there. So I have that one over there, and I'm gonna put that one in the so, and then so okay, we have some okay, what is wrong with these cards? Okay, why does it have to be like that? Okay, and we have a trainer Raihan over there, and we have some Hunchcrow and Zera Aura V, Lugia V, a Wailord, a Zera Aura Altaria, and a Mawile V. Okay, and also I have some Toxicroak, and then okay, one over there. So it's a Toxicroak. Okay, let's go, gonna check this out. Okay, okay, and it's a grass type. Okay, it's a grass type. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, it's a bite, energy digging. Oh, what is this one? Okay. Oh, it's a Durant. Oh, look at that. It's a reverse holo. Non-reverse holo. Okay, we got some non-reverse holo, and on to the last one. Okay, let's go to the last one. Okay, let's go to the last one. Okay. Okay, oh, sorry for that one. Okay, and then and another cards that are in a reverse. Okay, upside down, another Toxicroak, Corviknight V, Terrakion. Alright. Terrakion, I think Terrakion is a legendary, so we're gonna put that one, okay? And we have some Blaziken V. Oh, nice one. And a Duraludon VMAX with Raihan. Okay, Gigantamax form. Okay, and a single strike. Look at that. Nice one over there. So, nice one. And an Incineroar. Okay, Incineroar. Oh, Adelphax. Okay, Adelphax. Oh, nice one over there. And we got some Hisuian Arcanine V. Oh, this is an interesting fact. Okay, it's a Chestnut V. Oh, it's an electric type. Okay, what is this one? Okay, it's an electric type. Okay, okay. Lightning wall. Whoa, it's a Regieleki. Whoa, nice. Okay, that one right there. So let's gonna take a recap, guys. Okay, let's gonna take a recap. So got some Chestnut, Hisuian Arcanine, Blaziken, Corviknight, Mawile, Lugia, Zeraora, Skuntank, Regidrago V again. Okay, Suicune, the Magenta, the Cyan, Rayquaza, Mew, and Aluminium. So okay, and also we've got some here, some full arts. Okay, we got some full art. Okay, we have some Manaphy, Solrock, Marie, Turtwig, Diancie, Mew, Paras, and a Duskull. Okay, and then let's go to the basic. Let's go to the basic. Okay, let's go to the basic. And go to the basic. Delphox, Incineroar, Toxicroak, another Toxicroak, Altaria, Zeraora, Wailord, Honchkrow, Raichu, Braviary, Hisuian. Okay, it's an Hisuian Braviary, Archeops, Luxray, Volcanion. Okay, right there. Tangrowth, Energy, Yanmega, and a Helios. Okay. And next is we have some this one right there. So Regigigas V-Star, Simisear V-Star, and an Alolan Vulpix V-Star. Okay. And also we got some trainer over here. So Raihan, and also Swordward and Shieldbird. Nice one. Okay. And also the last but at least is a VMAX cards right here. Sa Duraludon VMAX, a single strike, Gigantamax form. Okay, with another Duraludon VMAX with this black and white color right here on black and white color, and also the Hatkarini VMAX. And the pulls for the day, we have got some Regieleki V, Adorant, Passimian, and Alolan Vulpix. Oh, nice one. Okay, that one really nice. Good. Okay, nice pick over there. So really look at that. So nice over there. So three holographic and one semi holographic. One Durant. Okay, Kevin Durant. Okay, Kevin Durant. Okay, nice one over there. So okay. So okay, that's it for this video, and I hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to know that you will already notify. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and